everyone, welcome back. My wonderful husband loves pumpkin pie, and so he went out and bought me this beautiful pumpkin pie dish with the cover and everything on it. So let's open it and see what is in here. Oh, wow. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And then we have a gorgeous pie dish. So we're going to be making, guess what we're going to be making next? You got it. A pumpkin pie. Stay tuned. So this is the beginning of our pumpkin pie. I'm rolling out the dough, and then I have my pie dish all set to go. Just wanted to roll this out just a little bit more, and then I'll put it in the pie dish. Okay, that looks good enough. And then we'll bake it at 425. So we'll be back when it's done baking. Okay, so our pie crust is ready, and I'm just gonna put some holes at the bottom to let the steam out. And then we're gonna bake it at 425 for 15 minutes. So see, I have the holes in there, and now I'm gonna put it down on this baking sheet and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Okay. Got it. So in the meantime, we'll put the filling together. And so we'll get our mixer together. Now, please stick around to the end because I have a surprise. You're not going to want to miss this. Okay, so we're going to put in all the ingredients that goes in the pie. We're going to put the pumpkin mix, the brown sugar, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the salt, orange zest, 3 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of sherry. So let's get started. And I'm not going to mention all the measurements because when you go in the video, you will see, if you hit more, you will see the full recipe. So I'm just going to be putting the stuff in. Okay, and the sherry that I used is the Harvey's Bristol cream. It's from England. It's one of my favorites. So let's put the pumpkin mix in. Now when you're making this, you want to make sure that see, when you buy the pumpkin, it has to say 100% pure pumpkin, not the pie filling. Okay. And then we're gonna put the sugar in. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. I have fresh ginger and orange zest. You can use the dried ginger if you'd like. I like to have the fresh. And we're going to add the milk, the cream, a little bit at a time. Oh my goodness, this smells good. So good already. I'm going to add the eggs one at a time. Smells so good, so good. Oh, just smells so beautiful. Okay, continue with the milk. And last but not least, the sherry. Oh, yeah, baby. Now you can make your own whipped cream if you'd like when you serve this pie, or you can put ice cream, I guess, on top of it, or just plain. I like to make my own whipped cream because then you add a little bit of sherry in the whipped cream and it's really good. So that's okay. So we're gonna let this sit for a minute while our pie crust is getting ready, and once I take it out of the oven, we'll just pour the filling in and put it back in and let it bake. So our pie shell is done baking, and I'm gonna take it out. Oh, look at that. Came out beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to pour the filling into the pie shell. And we're going to do this carefully. I love these glass bowls because then you can see everything that's going on. Okay. So now we have to put this back in the oven and bake it for 55 to 65 to 65 minutes at 425. So here we go. Oh yeah. Beautiful. We'll see you when the pie is ready. Okay, so we're gonna, I decided to make the whipped cream after all, because you can't have pumpkin pie without whipped cream. So I have a cup of heavy cream in here, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to add a tablespoon of the sherry.
Who's there? Go see.
Okay. And then we're going to add
Bella, go.
3 tablespoons of confectionery sugar. And we're going to whip that together. Turn this up a little more. It's getting thicker. A little more. It has to come to a stiff heat. Yep, cooking is definitely an art. This is my therapy. Yeah, I enjoy cooking. Okay, now we'll put this in the refrigerator and let it sit until the pie is ready, and then we'll have whipped cream. We'll be back. Okay, so I took the pie out of the oven when it's half cooked, and here's my surprise as promised. I made little leaves to decorate my pie. I hand made these. So we're just gonna put these very gently right there. And we're gonna do, oh yeah. Now this is made out of the extra pie crust that I trimmed from the side of the pie. You have to be very gentle with these. Whoops. Okay, that one. Okay, we got that. Come over here. See, now it looks like a pumpkin. And we're gonna put it back in to bake. Okay. So it has to bake for another half an hour and then we'll be good. So we'll put it back in the oven. Yes. Okay, our pie is ready, and I just put a small piece on the plate, and so we're gonna put some homemade whipped cream on the top. See how beautiful that is? And now we're gonna give it a little try. This is the best looking pie. Okay. This is just so good. I just want to continue eating because it's just wonderful. Thank you all for watching. I hope you make this, and please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. There's plenty more holiday recipes coming up.